Hello mga ketosina! So today, hindi tayo magluluto ng keto food or keto recipe. And isasama ko muna kayo sa mga pupuntahan ko since nakaluwag-luwag tayo today. Mamimili tayo ng konti para makapagluto na din. So ngayon, sasama ko muna kayo sa Eastwood kung saan ako nag-work before. So, habang pinapasyal ko kayo, gusto kong magkwento ng lola basyang nyo about sa natutunan ko this week. Respect is an act that means we show a courteous regard for the feelings, wishes, rights, or traditions of others. It is giving honor to the others regardless of their race, social, economic, and political status. Respect is a way of treating or thinking about something or someone. Sa own opinion ko or own perspective ko, we should diversify our respect. We should give respect to the least and to the most. Showing respect to others means that we value and we treat them in the same way that we wanted to be treated, of course. Respect is also about being careful with the words that we post on social media. We should realize that whatever we do to others or say to others will eventually bounce back to us. Respect is not a one-way route. It is always a two-way process. I agree that each and every one of us has a right to do or tell what they want, like our own opinion. And yes, opinion is like one of the cheapest resources on earth. Everybody has their own opinion. But more than an opinion, we need more understanding, loved, and respect. If you really think and believe that your opinion or point of view is right, but does not fit the other's opinion, that is more than okay. All you have to do is respect their opinion, and you can still believe in your own opinion. The first thing we should do is respect ourselves first. In order for us to really understand the meaning of respect, I think we should understand the word self-respect. Just like respecting others, self-respect is honoring your own self. Rather than tearing yourself down or hating yourself when you make mistakes, I admit it, I'm guilty of this. I always put the blame on myself whenever something's wrong. Blaming ourselves will not make the mistake go away. It will just only tear yourself apart. Instead of blaming yourself, why not try to embrace your own strength and capability? I know it will be hard because we have lots of self-doubts, but trust me, it will free you from the fear of a changing world. When someone says or does something hurtful to you, just let them go. As long as you know that wala kang ginawang masama, well then, you're good. Just let them know that you are hurt. And that is more than enough for them to realize that respect is earned. The second one is respect others. Respecting others means that we treat them nicely and we do not classify them based on their culture, race, color, status, and beliefs. We cannot judge a person based on the choices they make because we never know the options they had to choose from. Kung ano yung mga bagay na naranasan nila bago sila mag-arrive sa decision na yon. Showing respect to others doesn't mean that you always have to agree with them. Listening and acknowledging their opinion is enough. And last but not the least, respect the things around you. Your environment, the things around you, everything that you see, you hear, you feel, you smell, you should respect it. We should always remember that even if you are the richest or the most powerful human being in the universe, we are all equal in God's eyes. We are all guests in His most precious creation. Giving respect is not an option. It is our responsibility. All of us must show respect because each one of us deserves respect. Sa sobrang daming balitang kumakalat sa iba't ibang platform ng social media and sa mainstream media, minsan nga hindi na natin alam kung ano yung totoo, kung ano yung filtered sa unfiltered, and kung ano yung scripted sa hindi. And yes, it gives us informations that we don't usually get by just sitting down and reading a book. And because of democracy, we make and say our own opinion about a specific issue or current event like political, spiritual, and sometimes personal. From there, we tend to forget to give the respect to ourselves, to other people, just to prove that you are right. But sometimes, it's better to keep the respect than to prove that you are right. Always remember, never invalidate someone's feelings. Respect is a very simple word, but it has a big impact to humanity. I hope may natutunan kayo today, guys, and I hope may na-impart akong learning today. And if you have any questions or any suggestions on this vlog, you can kindly comment down below. And don't hesitate to message me on my Facebook account, my Instagram. That's Yan Yan Kitchen, Yan Yan Kitchen Go. And this YouTube account is Yan Yan Kitchen. Stay safe, guys, and stay healthy. Bye, guys. Take care.